Three Birds Casual Furniture has been family-owned since 1999. From our early days importing antique bird cages from China to our discovery of the beauty and incredible durability of solid teakwood products, Three Birds Casual has grown into one of the most trusted names in outdoor casual living. Three Birds Casual specializes in the design, manufacturing, and distribution of premium-grade fine casual living products. From design to construction, Three Birds Casual's outdoor living products conform to the highest quality standards using only Grade A Indonesian-grown plantation teak harvested from government-managed plantations. We oversee every step of production. Our quality control teams do more than spot check, but fully inspect each piece of furniture to ensure that all Three Birds products will be long-lasting and unique for your outdoor living spaces. We stock a deep inventory of products ready to ship and pride ourselves on being personal, quick, and responsive to the market and our customers' needs in every environment. Our beautiful, durable, and comfortable casual furniture is the choice among retailers, designers, architects, and resorts who offer their clients select quality with exceptional value. Work with one of the best innovators in the casual outdoor living market, Three Birds Casual.